Rethink the way you water with Nylex. Made from at least 70% recycled plastic materials, the Rethink watering range is the first of its kind in Australia. Nylex collects and recycles plastic offcuts from our manufacturing processes in-house and combines them with virgin material to ensure quality and performance of our product is maintained. The Rethink watering range is all about using recycling to give new life to plastic waste that would have otherwise gone to landfill. The Nylex 20-metre Rethink garden hose is ideal for everyday watering. With a reinforced braided construction and anti-leak connectors, you can be water-wise with every watering task. The watering set provides you with the basic accessories you need to start watering. This includes a multifunction spray gun, plus 2 anti-leak hose connectors and a universal tap adapter, making watering easy while preventing water wastage. The twin gun set is perfect if you have a wide variety of watering tasks to complete. It includes a multifunctional spray gun with 8 different spray patterns and an adjustable gun that offers jet to fine mist spray. Both feature an on-off instant squeeze trigger, continuous spray function and flow control, making watering easy while preventing water wastage. The nozzle watering set ensures a convenient setup for all your basic watering tasks, while 2 anti-leak hose connectors and a universal tap adapter keeps your setup secure and leak-free. The Rethink watering range is all about reducing wastage, and this extends to your own watering habits. Always water plants at the root zone rather than from overhead to avoid losing water to evaporation. This also prevents the risk of fungus developing on wet leaves overnight if watering later in the day. Though our Rethink watering range only contains the essentials for watering now, it is a step forward, and we are exploring more ways to reduce waste, from finding more ways to recycle plastic in-house to using 100% recycled cardboard fibres in our packaging. Rethink the way you water with Nylex.